Okay, I can't actually get my mask on as well as this head cam, but that's where you are now. Hello. A couple of the things you're going to need. I would recommend a pair of gloves. You can see I've got my dust-proof suit on. The tool I'm going to be using is this thing here. This is what it is. It's got this style of blade in there. And it is actually called a Hamilton Precision Scraper. This is just a pack of replacement blades I have for it. If we take it out, we're going to be going up where these cracks are. I'm not going to reach those with this hop up. I should have thought about that. Let me just quickly get my set of steps out. Get these set up. Sorry about that. Make sure they're locked in. Okay, try that again. So up we go. We can see where these cracks are. We're going to get the corner of this tool in. Just rake them through. Open them right up again. Trying to create a V in there. These are all stable. Make sure that you check that first, because you don't want to do this and the ceiling come down on you. See, there's a lot of old filler in there. This has been repaired before, but unfortunately not done properly. Hopefully you can see all of this. I'd be a bit disappointed if you couldn't. Okay, spin it round. And we're creating a channel in there. As you can see, that once little crack has now turned into a bit of a ravine. But that's how we need to get that back, as you can see the source of that crack in there. PVA glue all the way into this. I'll do another little video on that. I'm going to fibre tape where these cracks are, push the filler all the way through, and then we're going to fill it out and just lose where we've made that repair. All the cracks that are like that, even if they're on the wall, they all need to be raked out like that if they're bad. I'll do this one on the wall, we'll see where this one is. So you can hear it's a bit hollow under there. And that goes down there. So you've got a combination of old lining paper in there that's been used just to go over these cracks initially in the past, just to stabilise it up. Unfortunately, in places this is just giving up the ghost, and with what we're doing here, this paper doesn't need to come off, it's still fine. The cracks are just starting to show through again now, so if we actually scrape the cracks back like this, stabilise them up, get them taped and filled, that will be certainly good enough for this job. The same I'm going to do with the coving is get that tool into where these cracks are, and I'm going to take those cracks back just the same as I have done on the ceiling. They won't be getting fibre taped because we're not going to lose that fibre tape in a coving area. Now I will be going around this whole room, raking all of these cracks back out, just like that. So that's just a quick demonstration on what you need to do with those cracks. Like I say, there's a lot of them here. And this is a key part to restoring this ceiling.